please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this video. In this video, we will talk about the IGCSE economics. We will use the GO1X paper to illustrate the difficult MC. So this MC is about the market equilibrium, and also with demand and supply. So I would like to take a look at this MC question and illustrate how can we tackle this one. So let's take a look at the question. So at first, the supplier set the price at PS, and the theory would predict that the price would rise from PS to PE. So, and then we have to give, I would say we would need to pick a correct option to explain why the price would shift upward like this. So I would say this economic theory is called market adjustment. So that is when there is no when there's no intervention, the market would adjust to the equilibrium. The market will adjust to this equilibrium. So where QD would equal to QS. So that's the I would say that's the theory talks about. So how would I would say how would the adjustment would do that? We have to take a look the PS again. So in the PS here, so there is 2 points. We will see that. So I would like to highlight these 2 points. So this one is the QD. This one is the QD, and this one will be the QS. As you can see right now, the QD is larger than the QS. So what will happen? That means so that means I would say the consumers they are willing to buy at this point, but the consumers but the producer would only like to supply at this point. So there is a situation called excess demand. Or people may call it shortage. Now, so what will happen in shortage? So that means, so in shortage, that means there are a lot of customers lined up to buy this good. So the producer will try to increase the price. We'll try to increase the price to to reduce the shortage. Say for example, when the producer increase the price up to say for example this point. If the producer try to increase the price up to this point, then the shortage will be reduced. You can see that, right? The shortage will reduce from here to here. So what if the producer increase the price to the equilibrium? Then the shortage will be eliminated. So that's why answer C, this one, answer C is the answer. So the consumers, they are willing to pay higher price. So the producer, so let's mark it down. So the producer would raise the price, raise the price to earn more profit. So this option C is the answer. So I would like to take a look why there are some answers they are wrong. So let's take a look. Option A, the demand for the product would increase. So a lot of students, they might pick this one, but as you can see, there is no information talking about this. So let's put that down, node inform. Okay, no inform. How about this one? Does no more of the product can be supplied? No, it's wrong, because as you can see, the supply curve is upward sloping. The supplier can increase their quantity supply. So this one would be wrong. So let's mark it down, because there is an upward sloping supply curve. Okay. So let's take a look at the last option. The last option, it talks about the supplier, they are facing rising cost. Okay, so that's wrong, because we do not have information on that. Okay, node inform. Okay, so that's all for this video. Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Now, in this video, we will talk about the IGCSE, CIE Economics 2018, one difficult MCQ questions. The topic is about the functions of the central bank. So I would like to take a look at the answers one by one. The first one, accepting deposit from the public, is the function of commercial bank. Okay, so let's grab that down. This is for the commercial bank. So option A would not be our answer. So let's take a look. Option B, the tax rate would be determined by the government. Okay, so that's not our answer. How about option D? Now option D again is same as for option A. It is the function of the commercial bank. Okay, so I would say the answers go to C. It's implementing the monetary policy by printing money. Printing money, or issue or sell bonds. Okay, issue and sell bonds. So these are the functions of the central bank. Okay, so by say for example, by printing money and buying bonds, so the money supply can be altered. So through altering the money supply, then the interest rate can be altered. And what will happen? Okay, what happened to the interest rate? Think about it. The interest rate indeed can affect the income. Okay, so I would like to do this one for you. The change in money supply would affect the interest rate. Then it would affect the national output. Say for example, when there is an increase in the money supply, then the interest rate will drop, and this will boost the national income. So we call this one, if you print money, we will call this as expansionary monetary policy. I hope you like this video, and remember to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this video. In this video, we will talk about the IGCSE, the economics. We will use this 201X paper to illustrate one difficult MCQ questions. The topic is about the free trade. So in the question, it talks about if they want to increase the free trade with the partners, then what can they do? So I would say option D is wrong. When the tariff increase, that means the price would raise, and of course the quantity of the imported good will drop. So option D is not an answer. How about option C? Option C, for embargo, the quantity would drop to 0. So that's not our answer either. How about option B? Domestic car producer, they are the substitutes to the trading partners. So once you subsidize domestic car products, then the quantity, the demand for imported good would drop. Okay, So that's not our answer 2. So I would say the answer goes to A, because when you try to raise the quota, that means the quantity of import would increase, right? Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, so let me highlight with you. So for option B, option C, and option D, they will make the quantity of import drop. Option A is the only way to raise the quantity of import. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this video.